Madagascar is a big island in the south of Africa. It is known for its unique flora and fauna, with many species still to be discovered. To get from the port to the Ember National Park, you have to drive through the city of Antsiranana, also called Diego Soares. The city is full with yellow tuk-tuks, which are used for transportation. There are also many markets next to the road. People in Madagascar usually buy their food freshly each day. Next to the road, we found our first chameleon. This one is a Malagasy giant chameleon, Furcifer ustaleti. It is only endemic to Madagascar, and it's the world's largest chameleon, with up to 70 centimeters long. It is widespread in Madagascar because it can adapt very well to human encroachment. Here you can see the typical use of the tail for climbing and to hold onto plants. Chameleons seem to be very slow, but they can get really fast if they want to. A little further, we found another chameleon. This one is the panther chameleon, Furcifer pardalis. The color varies a lot depending on the region. Here in Antsiranana, it's mostly greenish. Males have more intense color, and the panther chameleons can have really extensive colors. Reaching Ember National Park, we first see a jackfruit tree. The Ember Mountain National Park is one of the first and oldest national parks of Madagascar. The rain season is from November to March, and it has elevations from 850 to 1450 meters. Beautiful trees can be found with the typical buttress roots to be able to grow on thin soil and get very high. There are also many epiphytes on the trees. Epiphytes are living on other plants to get better light conditions. And we were really lucky to see one of the lemurs. This one is a Sandford's brown lemur, Eulemur sandfordi. It can be found in the northern Madagascar. They are active at day and also at night. They have orange eyes and different coats, depending on their sex. The males are grayish-brown with a black face surrounded by light gray hair. The females are dark, like this one. Lemurs can only be found in Madagascar. There are around 100 species. Some of them eat leaves and fruits, others insects and birds. Most of the lemurs are living in groups. Here is a bird nest in form of a shoe, and here are many orchids. The rainforest of Ember National Park is full of species, for example, like this millipede. And here is another very huge tree. Chameleons can be found everywhere. You have to look very carefully. There are more than 50 different species of chameleons in Madagascar. They belong to the reptiles. Their eyes can operate independently, and they are famous for the color changing. But they don't usually change the color for camouflage. Usually they change it mainly for communication. We were also lucky to find the smallest chameleon in the world, belonging to Procasia. This here is Procasia tuberculata. Procasia are living on the ground and are only 100 to 125 millimeters long. It's very difficult to spot them. We were also lucky to spot another chameleon, Caluma linotum, known for its typical nose, which becomes blue by excitation.